Hello everybody, welcome back to J1 Aviation. Today's questions are on the super exciting FARs, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, question number 1. With respect to certification of airmen, which are categories of aircraft? A. Gyroplane, helicopter, airship, free balloon. B. Airplane, rotorcraft, glider, lighter than air. Or C. Single engine land and sea, multi-engine land and sea. So the answer is B, airplane, rotorcraft, glider, lighter than air. So categories of aircraft, when you're talking about certificates in airmen, refer to a broad classification of aircraft, and examples are like in answer B, airplane, rotorcraft, glider, lighter than air. So on the back of your license, if you have one, or when you get one of the lines will start something like this: airplane, single engine land. Airplane is the category as far as your certificates. It's the broadest description. The other answers are not categories of aircraft with respect to certification of airmen. Question number 2. With respect to certification of airmen, which is a class of aircraft? A. Airplane, rotorcraft, glider, lighter than air. B. Single engine land and sea, multi-engine land and sea. Or C. Lighter than air, airship, hot air balloon, gas balloon. Okay, so the answer is B, single engine land and sea, multi-engine land and sea. So class of aircraft with respect to certification of airmen is the next set of text on the same line as the category of aircraft. So examples of that are like single engine land, multi-engine land, single engine land and sea. So the other answers are not class of aircraft with respect to certification to airmen. Question number 3. With respect to certification of aircraft, which is a category of aircraft? A. Normal, utility, acrobatic. B. Airplane, rotorcraft, glider. Or C. Land plane, seaplane. So the answer is A. Normal, utility, acrobatic. So now when we're talking about categories of aircraft, the idea here is they are all grouped around how they are intended to be used. So like normal, utility, transport, acrobatic, limited, restricted, provisional, those would all be examples. So remember, answer B is a class, but it's for certification of airmen. Okay, so question 4, and this is the last question for today, with respect to certification of aircraft, which is a class of aircraft. A. Airplane, rotorcraft, glider, balloon. B. Normal, utility, acrobatic, limited. Or C. Transport, restricted, provisional. Okay, so the answer is A. Airplane, rotorcraft, glider, balloon. So with respect to certification of aircraft, class of aircraft is a broad grouping of aircraft having similar characteristics of propulsion, flight, or landing. So examples here are rotorcraft, airplane, glider, balloon, land plane, and seaplane. So examples, or answers rather, B and C are examples of class of aircraft with respect to certification of aircraft. So thanks everyone for riding along today. We hope you will join us on a future flight, and thanks for flying J1 Aviation.